Morning, everyone. January 23rd, 2019, 7:35 a.m. The onslaught continues this morning. I was hoping to have nice clear skies. Fog was just starting to lift. These guys jumped on in, as you can see. And we got more than one. That one came from the north. Got a second one from the north. They're spraying. That's the north. They X'd out. They came along. We have got more shenanigans right here. Good morning, Hawks. Mr. and Mrs. Hawk. How are you this morning? Painted skies, painted skies. That one just got done doing its thing. There it is. The shiny guy. So that is the first thing in the morning before anything else. We do have the sun up. I'm gonna roll on over to my spot. So that was, there's three of them. He's crossing literally his trail, a little bit lower, but he did his damage. He needed to do that right there. All that stuff's gonna creep on over to the sun in the morning. That's the second one. Oh, here we go. So we had the first one, second one, third one. That one's a delayed sprayer. It goes on and off. And then we have number 4 headed east. I'll just keep right on that little puff above it. You can see that it's moving right along. And for once, we have the moon. Alright, everybody. Do some sky view, and then I'm going to shoot the sun with the filter. Everybody be safe out there. Peace out. Come out to want to do a sky view. So this is ground level, facing west. January 23rd, 2019. It is 11:15 a.m. So yeah. It looks like he's turning. He was headed west. Now he's like turning. Was one right over here. Must have just went by the barn and I missed them. I got that one, and then got double trails going right there. Let's go back to them again. Okay, so that guy already trailed. We got that guy, and then we got us a shiny guy. And then let's roll around. Let's see what we got going on over here. Other than the sound of the train, there's a little bit of aftermath right there. Oh. And here we go to the east. Yeah. That's a big one. That one carries. Ah, so that's what they were doing earlier. They were doing the little mix-a-lot right there. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense why they were doing that. And this one is still going way down there. Alright, that would be an update just before noon. Everyone be safe out there. Peace out. January 23rd, 2019, 11:22 a.m. We're going to have a sky view. So we got one rolling over there. What we got here? A distraction probably. Oh yeah. It's kind of up there. So, one by Frank over here. And we got another one going that way. And that's it. (23rd) January 2019, 12:32 p.m. Just coming out to do a sky view, and as you guys can see, we got the same old jumping off. Yes, and the train also is jumping off. We got a little bit of mixture right there. We have, what do we got here? We got 1, 2, and 3. So we've already got some crisscross action going. I believe this one's still going on. Not 1000%. It's hard to see from here. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. This one I'm facing southeast. That one's still headed that way. What else we got? What else have we got here? Oh, that's right. We have that's odd. Got a weird looking triangle right there. That is odd. I will zoom out and take stills of that. It goes that way, and back that way, and comes back. Trying to keep the sun out of it. And it goes over there like they're going to start a whole nother one. Indeed. And there he is. Let's see who that is. Hard to tell. Looks like the back end's of baby blue. It's not a blue belly delta. Huh. Maybe Norwegian or something. Alright. And that's what made that right there. Quite a bit. Quite a bit, quite a bit, quite a bit. Let's see what we got over here. Alright. Alright, I am gonna switch over to a zoomed out. Alright, peace out. And we're back. It's up in there somewhere. As you can see, we got some jumping off right there. Frank, whole lot. Come across. There's a little bit to the northeast. There's the crisscross action. And then we have the one that comes across here like this. I just got done doing. See the total difference in the visual aspect when you zoom out. You come over here. cover that up. There we go. See, it's starting to look more like almost like a square, but you can see where I got almost the triangle part. Right there. Boom. Boom. There's a light one going that way. It's almost gone. It's like they didn't drop it heavy enough. But yeah, they've got it pretty toxic. Got us some toxic skies jumping off. Yep. Toxic skies. Got the sun pretty turned up today, I'd have to say, because my brightness is all the way down and I'm getting the purple pink lines up and down. So yeah, that is just a lens flare, that blue thing. I know it didn't move at the time, but see, there's a little bit of, it'd be different if I was doing this up, down, all around, and that was still in the same spot. I would be questioning that, which I have in very earlier posts, have caught that multiple times. And we got a new one right over there going that way. Alright, that is a sky view. I mean, it's there, but it's not the worst. I've seen worse this past week, so all in all, they are smacking us around, but it's not as blatant as it was in the past couple days. But it might be picking up because they're starting to pick up. It's after lunch. All right, everybody, be safe out there. Peace out.